Poop stinks. It makes the world messy. We hate it. But today, let me tell you why the smell of the poop is so important. In my laboratory, we find non-smelly poop. We have a family of mice that lives in a plastic bubble. They have food, they have air, they have everything they need in this bubble. And they don't have bacteria in this bubble. That means these mice will not get infectious disease, and their poop will not smell. They're the ideal pets, right? They are the type of pets every parent will approve.
So, when it comes to control, one thing we have going for us that no other city has is that we've got the beach. And the beach has sand, and we have not figured out how to control robots on the sand yet. It's really, really hard. It's hard to do. So when that robot apocalypse does come, and all those robots make their way through the suburbs and down through the city, we know that we can hold them off on the sand. Unfortunately, that also means that the last remaining humans in Chicago, and perhaps the entire world, will be the coked up options traders on their boats off Oak Street Beach.
Now, all kidding aside, my colleagues are some of the nicest, most brilliant people that I know. And I don't want to mock male engineers in general. I've even dated a few. But every lady engineer knows. And are there any lady engineers in the audience tonight? Yeah, okay. All 5 of us are here. Great. All lady engineers know that in engineering in a man's world, for us, the odds are good, but the goods are odd.
You have forgotten all of the wonderful advances that chemists have given you, like clean tap water. Clean tap water just isn't good enough for you anymore. No, now you want unadulterated raw water from natural springs. Raw, which is just another word for dirty. As in actual dirt, not the fun kind of raw dirty. But the assault on safe-to-drink tap water doesn't stop there. Oh no, folks, you try to sell yourselves on alkaline water. Alkaline water just means basic water. The only thing basic about basic drinking water is the consumer buying that rubbish.
So it just happened that the other day I was talking to my wife about a grant proposal that I was working on, and my kids overheard me. So I have 2 kids, and they overheard me, and they, out of all the conversation we had about science and about the proposal, my kids got was that in order to get money, you have to write grants. So the first time my kids got the grant funded, I cut their budget by 25%. So the next time, the kids are smart, right? So they up their budget by 20%. So now we both think we have outsmarted the system.